Hi, everybody. Welcome to Distance Learning and welcome to quarter two and welcome to our next unit, which is nutrition. So, a lot of different things going on. A reminder to you guys, and for those of you who haven't been paying close attention, a heads up that I will be having knee surgery the very same day that we start distance learning. So, this Thursday, the 19th. What that means is that I will be unavailable until December 7th. So you will still have stuff to do for health class, like you will, but I'm not going to put anything in the grade book until December 7th, and I'm not going to really be able to get back to you guys until December 7th. Just based on the recovery that I need to be in right away, I cannot be available to you guys. So just a heads up on that. Watch the videos, read the directions, ask each other questions, ask your teachers questions. They all know my situation and what's going on, and they can help too. So I'm not worried. You guys will be fine, but just a reminder on that. So we are going to start our nutrition unit. As far as distance learning goes, it's set up as like an A day and a B day kind of where you have your start of the week and then you have your end of the week. So my videos, if they're a little bit longer in length of what you're supposed to do for the week, I will have a part 1 video and then I'll have a part 2 video. The theory behind that is you could do part 1 in the first half of the week, and then you could do part 2 in the second half of the week. Or if you're super productive and you're like, I just want to get it all done, Miss Rainey, then you can do part 1 and part 2 right away. Or if you're dilly-dallying and you're distracted, or if you're running behind, you can do part 1 and part 2 at the end of the week. However it fits in your schedule, voila, figure it out. Okay, so just kind of a heads up there. Otherwise, let me get going with part 1 of this week. So right now I am in Schoology and I am in the week 11 folder, which is this week. And what I want you guys to do is I want you to click on the Nutrition Gap Notes PDF. We are going to download these with a new data selector. Okay. We are going to start these this week, and then we'll work on them over the next few weeks, just like we did with the stress gap notes. Always pay attention to the dates on the gap notes to know what Schoology folder you need to watch the video from. So please download these into Notability right now. Go ahead and pause the video and download them into Notability. For this week, we are focusing on these 2 sections of notes. So really not much, very manageable. Once you have them downloaded into Notability, then we are good to go. All right, so nutrition. What is it? Okay, this is the first section in your gap notes. You're writing in the words that are missing, just like from before. So nutrition itself is the study of how our bodies use the food we eat in order to maintain our health. So nutritionists will look at, okay, what did this person eat? And what did this person drink? And how did that impact their overall health? For the good, for the bad, for the average, that's what they're going to look at. Because our bodies are machines. And we need to make sure that we are giving our body the proper things that it needs in order for our machine to keep working. If you think about a vehicle, if you think about a car, if you put bad oil into a vehicle or the wrong kind of oil into a vehicle, your car's not going to go anywhere or your car is not going to function very well. The same can be said for our bodies. If we don't give it what it needs, or if we don't give it enough of what it needs, it's not going to function well for us either. Okay? Well, the stuff that we need to get into our body is nutrients. Okay, nutrients are the substances in your food that your body needs in order to function properly. So that's how we get the good oil for our machines. Your body needs food in order to fuel the energy that your body produces. So by you being alive, you are burning energy. Okay, well, that's cool. We need to make sure that we're giving our body what it needs in order to keep burning off that energy. So your body is going to need energy for these 4 things. So the first thing is physical activity. By you walking or running or biking or playing a sport, you're going to need to burn off energy. So therefore, we need to make sure we're putting some stuff back into our body. Bone and muscle growth. This is incredibly important at your age because of puberty. Okay, your bones are growing, your muscles are growing at a very, very, very fast, rapid pace right now in your life. So we need to make sure that you are having enough energy for all of those changes that are occurring. Fighting germs that cause sickness. Right now, yes, we have COVID going on, but it's also cold and flu season. And if we want to make sure that we have a best chance of fighting off germs and fighting off illnesses and getting sick and everything like that, we need to make sure we're getting nutrients into our body. And then the last thing is daily functions, just you being alive. So me right now, I'm sitting. In order for me to be able to sit upright like I am, my body is using energy. It's not as much energy as that would be if I were out running or biking or, cross-country skiing and things like that. But it still is it still is working off energy for me to just be sitting. My heart is beating right now. My lungs are breathing right now. My eyeballs are blinking right now. All of those things require energy just by me being alive. Okay? So these are the reasons for why we need nutrients in our bodies. This is why nutrition is important. Okay? So what I want you to do now is I want you to go into Schoology. And in Schoology, I want you to complete the nutrition discussion for the week. So it's 2 questions, and they are, number 1, how would you describe your nutrition and diet? So if somebody were to ask you, what would you say? And then number 2, you are what you eat. Do you believe this is true? Why or why not? Okay, so that's just a matter of opinion. Do you believe it's true? Why or why not? So go ahead and complete that discussion right now. You can put the video on pause if you need to. But this is the first half of the video for the week. So this is, week 11, part 1. I'm going to do another video of part 2 for week 11 still. Okay, so if you want to go ahead and just go right to that next video, cool. If you want to wait, cool. But just know that this is it for the first video. Okay, all right, bye.